Hi everyone, today I'm going to be trying this Home Pilates Essential Kit. I have like a mini workout area here in my basement, and me and my family love to work out at home. So we received this and I wanted to try it today. It comes with 14 different pieces, and over here it says everything that it has. Don't mind this. I didn't take off the sticker good, but anyways, let's go right into it and just open it up. I just opened the box and this is how everything came. It's kind of like a little birthday surprise. I feel like I love the confetti. They packaged this super adorable, but anyways, let's take a look what's inside and kind of give an explanation. So the first thing is this drawstring gym bag. This is where you could put everything if you want to take it anywhere. It's just this purple drawstring bag and it's nice and big. The next thing that was inside this bag is this yoga ball, which all you need to do is pump it up with air, and it does come with a pump right here. It comes with this, which that's super helpful. I also love the theme where it's staying on this like purple adorable theme, which I love. The next thing that came was a pack of 4 of these. They each have different ones. So this is 25 pounds, this one's 35, this one is 15, and this is 50. So basically the more it weighs, the harder it is for it to stretch. And I just love the theme of the purple. This is the inside, and every single one is a different shade, which I love, but it comes with a lot more, so let me show you the rest. Next, it comes with this, which I'm going to explain what it is. You can use this for so many different things, but basically what I do is like I'll tie a knot, and then you could like put your foot around it and like stretch your leg. That's what I used to do in gymnastics. You could figure out workouts with these, which there is a workout book that I'll show you, but there are so many things you can do with this, and it does actually give you a few ideas on how you can use every single piece of equipment. Next is like the star of the show. This is a Pilates ring, and it does, again, it shows you how to use these. I know a few workouts that I just looked at the book. I'll show you in a second here, but this is mainly kind of for stretching. So some stretches are like laying on your stomach and putting your arms up. It stretches your back, or sitting to the side and reaching to it. Basically, this is mainly for stretching, and obviously you could use it for other things, but this is like the star of the show. Next are these yoga socks. So these are just to make sure you don't slip. So it has all these grips at the bottom. Again, staying with the purple theme, which I love. They're like not even ankle socks. I forgot what they're called when it's just to here. Maybe they're called ankle socks. But this is going to be really helpful because I don't know if you can see, but I have these wooden floors which are super slippery. And I think that this was a great idea and a great addition to add to this kit. This is the next thing that came in, and you can use this for multiple different ways. A lot of people do it like this. A lot of people put it on their foot and then they stretch with their arm. But at the end of this video, I will show you like one workout with each of the things. And also, I found out that there's other things for this Pilates ring that I'm excited to show you. I forgot to mention, but this was the pump that you're supposed to use for the ball. I only showed you the little pieces to get it in, but you just attach this and it's just like this. So okay, next and almost the last things, just a few more things. There's so much stuff that came in this kit, it's actually crazy, are these core sliders. So here I'm looking at the book I'm about to show you, and you can do many things with these. Many people use them for planks, and you put it on the floor and you put your feet on here, and it's kind of like supposed to like slip a little, so you're supposed to use your ab muscles to keep it without slipping. So this is just a additional thing to normal things like planks that make them just a little bit harder. Okay, and this is probably my favorite thing that came in the kit. I do cross country and I have to do runs every single day, so I normally am super sore. So this is a massager. You can massage your back with this, your legs, your calves, anything you can ever think of. This is a great massager. You can just throw this in your gym bag, my cross country bag, and after running, after working out, before stretching or after stretching, this would be a nice thing to use on your body so that your muscles aren't as tense the next morning. Okay, so that is basically everything in this kit. Just a few more things are this little booklet. It gives you an exercise, a stretch, how to use it. It shows you in the back safety and maintenance and care, and it tells you what the workout is. So like right here, yoga ball training, and it shows you all the different exercises. And what I love the most is it uses images. I don't like always know what the workouts are, so having a visual really does help me. And then it just comes with this. I don't even know what's the name of this, but you can just attach this to anything. But now I'm just going to go ahead and show you what some things can be used for. I'm going to first start with this Pilates ring. So one of the stretches, because like I said, you can do stretches and work out, is you just go on your stomach, and then you could go a bit further out. You can go closer. Basically, you just sit like this, and it does stretch your back. If you want it to stretch even more, just go a little closer and hold it like this. This is just one of the stretches that you can do. It releases tension in your back. And then here I'm reading the 2 exercises. Also, I just want to say I'm very not flexible, unflexible, so my legs are probably not going to be as straight as they're supposed to be. But you go on your side and you raise it like this. This definitely works your abs. And over here. And then another workout right here that it says, let's see, this is a stretch where you can have it on the side, and you can go like this. And then I'm going to show you one more. Let's do this one. So you go on your stomach, and I have to do Supermans in cross country, so this would be something useful to use. Just stretch your legs out and go like this, and this is how I would do it. So these are just a few things you can do with this ring. There's so many other things, but let's move on to the next. Okay, I'm not going to do like every single item because this video would actually be an hour long, but this one is a classic. Lots of people have these bands, and I feel like lots of people work out with these, so I thought let's show these. So this is a classic, is just doing like this, or you can do like lunges. It really just depends. You can do so many different things. You could do like this. You could do stretching, and you can feel the tension right here. Let's see, what else do? They do hip training. They do on the yoga ball. If the yoga ball is here, you just go like this, and you can just raise your feet. So I know that lots of people use this, so I thought I should show this, but this is the next item, which is going to be, I think, the last I'm showing. This is, I think it's called the figure eight. I'm not really sure, but I kind of showed you guys already going like this. This feels really good on my shoulder. People are doing this where you just hold it and you just stretch it. And then the last thing they did is for your glutes. So you have one hand here, put it on your foot. Let's see, did they do opposites? They did not. So that's what I really like. Let me put my arm here. Is that they show you visuals. I would not know what this is if it just said the name of the workout. So you go like this, and you just go backwards. So yeah, and then it even shows you how to use the massage stick. It shows you with the core sliders, and even stuff that don't come in the pack. So like this yoga ball, I'm pretty sure they're not using this one. They're using like a heavy one. So overall, if you're looking for a nice, and I just love the color of all these things, how they're all purple. They're adorable, easy on the go. You can pack it with an instruction on how to use it. Then I would definitely recommend trying this Pilates kit.